Ladies and gentlemen, from the sideline of the Cagayan Motorsport for Women, in a couple of minutes from now, World Committee is crashing in front of the final for the junior division of the Cagayan Interbarangay Basketball League, the game between Purok 5 Dikatin against Purok 1 Bantay Dagat.
I call the name, so please proceed to the mid-court, no? For Team A, Purok 1, Wailingid. Jersey number 9, Daya A. Jersey number 18, Ganto. Jersey number 11, Ganto. Jersey number 5, Ganto. Jersey number 2, Saluper. Jersey number 14, Picato. Jersey number 25, Pagasinan. 27, Balaba. Number 9, Daya, and number 2, Saluper. For 4 of 5, Big Cassion. Jersey number 11, Valiente. Number 16, Villamor. Number 28, Villamor. 29, Eligado. 41, Barcena. Number 5, Cano. Number 12, Hill. Number 4, Hill. Number 13, Uy, and number 18, Abo. Chairman, major present. We enable Chairman.
Hindi daw ganina, amigo.
One, two, ready. Thank you. And 35 for Wailingid, Daya, Ganto, Ramon, for Picato, and Balaba for Dikatin, Valiente, Jersey number 16, Villamor, Barcenas, Cano, and Hill. First 5, please report to the mid-court.
Away sabi?
There will be final buzzer signal in the start of the first quarter. The final game between Purok 5 Dikatin wearing an orange and black red shirt against Purok 1 Bantay Dagat on the black and white fan. On the floor for Bantay Dagat, Picato and Ganto Brothers, Daya, and number 2, sorry, I am not familiar. For the orange team, Abo, Hill, Valiente, Villamor, and Cano. Champion center, Abo, against Ganto. From the top, won by Picato. But still there by Abo, passing to Valiente pull up jumper, connecting. Valiente broke it up the virginity of the mountainside basket. Scoring the first 2 points of the whole game and the first 2 points of the game, the final. Ganto making it 2.
Ayag bito kayo nila,
Pass. Security attend, 2-14. Reverse and the rest rebound by Abo. First pass intercepted by Ganto. Ganto approximate court, Nico all the way. Ganto pull up jumper, in and out. Cano high up for the rebound. Cano penetrate, Nico all the way. Pushing the defender, set it short, rebound by Picato. Yes, they're looking for their first basket, Ganto. Ganto to Daya. When we call, referee holds play. Valiente retaking his hand, he acknowledged the score. Ganto, look to the receiver. Cycle and board, 3.1 by Picato, not the time. A lost ball foul is charged on Ganto, is out rebounding by Cano. Turnover. Here comes Oy, making a pair, making it move. Valiente 3-point bomb, not this time. Picato high up for the rebound. It's ball to Ganto. Ganto behind the back table, lost the ball. Pick up by Picato. Finish the shot. Cano, pick up the last ball.
Yawa
This is
mo.
back to Hill. Hill now to the run. Give me good away. Give it to Valente. Comes out to the run. Cut it to throw. Offensive rebound by Tudor. Hit to take back. He got the basket. Not a goal. What a perfect position.
Amo
in
tariya
there
naman
by
ni o yan ko an yayo kapalan.
Ori,
Tariya
here
naman.
is the ball.
Murag ba dito bulit? Bulit TV kung dili area nami.
Guillermo will try for the 4.5 with the 9-for-3 play.
Ano dia?
One of the very aggressive players of the team. Guillermo, 154 to time. Firing up the trigger. He makes it up. Rebound by Ganso. Gives the ball to his brother. Ganso is away from the body. But the call dribbling on the holding. Charles Cano is eyeing for his MVP award number 5 Cano. Side good throw now for Picato. Ganso receiving the inbound. Ganso, one man play connecting. Quick reply by Ganso. Now the call referee holds play. Tipping by the thrower. Baseline inbound now for the drop here. At Santos tie the count. They're behind by 2 points. 4 against 2 or 4. Ganso making it move. Inside pass now to number 1 makes the shot. Offensive rebound. Block from behind. What a block. What a very nice defensive play there by Valente, rejecting the shot of Abofa. Set go to him. Daya quickly to Picato. Pull up jumper. What a pick away Picato scored. They have first picked up on the ball game at 4-all with 2 minutes 41 seconds first quarter. It is live on the rig by a satellite. Our game for the championship match. Villamor doesn't get the shot, but we have a foul. Definitely there's a foul being committed before the shot. Villamor now back to the 4.5 meter line for 2 foul throws. All eyes on him. 14 number 28. But he made the first little bit short. 3 teams foul. Bantay Dagat. Second try for number. Huh? Rebound by Picato. Unnecessary foul given up by Guillermo that a huge foul given up. It is foul, they cut him. Ganso making his move. Picato. Daya pull up jumper. He doesn't get the shot, but he got a foul. Balaba now will try for the 4.5 meter line. With 2 foul throws. Warning for penalty. 4 of 5. First throw by Balabay. Little bit short. Second try for Balaba. All eyes on him. 50% conversion, 1 out of 2. Very low scoring ball game, 5 against 4, 2 minutes and 10 seconds first quarter. The final. The guy started a foul try to save that ball,
Babaw ni.
but in the process he stands
Ipakita ko na score na babaw ni.
warning for penalty
Babaw ni din.
for Kuno.
Score 5-4. Labaw ang itom. Aga. Good sa kayo.
For position now for 4 or 5, the captain. Cano, give it to him. Number 11, attempt to make offensive rebound. Look at that Cano. Cano flying high for the offensive rebound. He's really moving an NBB kind of play. Blackfield now the offensive. Ganto pick and roll, quick reply by Ganto. Inside the 10 is scoring. Both teams have sinking basket. This is the final for their own division. Team. In the corner to Valenti. Valenti comes closer to the basket. When the call, referee holds play. Gato is charged with a foul. Penalty. Number 11 now, Valenti from the 4.5 meter line for 2 penalty shots. Wow, he hits the first. Dinlap 7-all our score. Second try for number 11, Valenti. 113 out of 2. Eight against 7, a very low scoring first quarter. There goes the basket, signaling the resumption of play. On its timeout has been expired, ball position, 6-side basket. Ganto, bringing bola forward. Bito, Balaba attempt left-handed. A elevated jumper by Balaba, good for 2 points. Here making it move. In the corner to Valenti. Valenti comes closer to the basket. Steal by Ganto. Pass break pitch to Ganto.
Kaya wa.
What a pass! Beautiful assist by Ganto. Balaba scored. Beautiful assist by back pass there by Ganto. Valenti pull up jumper, missing shot. Follow up nicely by Villamor, connecting nice 2 points. He's positioning at the right place and at the right time. Put it back and he scores. Ganja start to pick up a 3-point bomb. It's a bit strong. Here comes Hill. Hill, get away from everybody. Inside pass to Cano, answering the basket. Beautiful assist by Hill. Cano scores using the board. Foul is charged. Penalty. Two penalty set now for Ganto. Wow, he hits the first. Very active shooter from any angle of the court. We have the first deadlock of the ball game at 12 all. Second try for Ganto, all eyes on him. 100% out of 2. Bringing the tie, 13-12 our score. Villamor, double team. Passing to throw, recovered by Abok. Abok reversed advantage. A very hard air to win. A very difficult shot by Abok. There goes the batter. Ending action for the first quarter. There goes the horn signaling the start of the second quarter. 14-13 our score as we start our second quarter. What position now for the orange shirt? Set for throw now for Villamor, bounce pass now to He was kicking in for the first time. Bounce pass to Villamor. Villamor is looking at open man. Cross court. Valinti double team. Full flap jumper miss. Offensive rebound by Villamor. What a shot there by quick reply by number 11. He is making it move across the midcourt. Hitting up the play. Looking at an open man. Hill comes closer to the basket. Illegal trouble is charged on Hill. All over. One point four game 16-15. 4 minutes 7 seconds. Second quarter. Number 25. So Picato. The hard hitting guy of the team. Picato looking for the room. Pull up jumper. Connecting again. Perimeter jumper. Picato scored. Clean hit by Picato. 17.
Walang sila po
16 our score. Intro battle continue. Villamor comes closer to the basket. No look pass to him. Tails penetrate. Miss the shot. Loper high up for the rebound, but he got a foul. Twenty-two. The foul. Picato receiving the inbound. Still at the backcourt. One-on-one against him. Picato gets away. Illegal dribble by Picato. Turnover. 1-1 game 17-16. A very close encounter. Final game for the Junior Division. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. For the distribution now for the orange shirts. They're moving the ball very well. He makes the shot. Picato high up for the rebound. Picato passes to number 3 after bringing the shot. Cano for the rebound. Quick release of Valinti. He goes away. Flying high. He doesn't get the shot, but he got a foul. Illegal use of hand according to referee. 2 quarters is awarded to number 11. Malginti. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 17-16 our score. Very close encounter ball game. Wow, Valinti hit the first. Making our score another deadlock at 17 all. Second try for number 11. All eyes on him. Wow, 2 out of 2. 100% conversion. Timeout. Seaside basket.
Labaw isa kuan.
The final.
Pula, labaw di kasin isa. 18-17 ang score.
For position now for the black shirt. Behind by 1 point. Ganto. Picato. Picato broke the watch by Cano. Picato maneuvering the play. It's closely guarded. Illegal trouble, nice defensive play by the orange shirt. Forcing the opponent to commit an error. Another automatic turnover for the orange shirt. Hill making his move, still looking for his first basket.
Makita yoyo.
And a shot by Mr. MVP number 5, Cano.
Hindi makita ang kulera. Balik dano po.
The highly nominated MVP award for the year, Lascano, all-around player. The black player putting the ball into the garbage can, turnover. You must avoid committing error because there's no more tomorrow for goal if you lose this game. He is making for inside pass. Number 41, pick and roll. We have the ball before the shot. Number 11, starts with a foul. That's to the rim. Out. Number 11 in number 18. Set to throw it out for a big line inbound now for the orange shirt. An error there by Valente Crack, able to hold on the goal. Ball goes out of bounds. Picato, most improved player of 4-1. Picato now double team. Quick release from his teammate. Picato flying high, using the ball. What a quick escape there by Picato. Skipping off from his two prison guards that he scored. Yeah, making it move. This very shot will go. Picato high up for the rebound. Back there, Picato. Quick release of somebody in deep handed using the ball that he scored. Valente looking very, very tired. He is already got spin, but he's still in hardcore. Here, inside pass. What a pass, beautiful assist. 29 scores. The call, referee will play. The tweet will be the decision of our referee. Here, across the midcourt. Looking to an open man. In the corner to the Mr. MVP. One pass intercepted. But they're still by Tano. Tano look at that shot. Hitting body from any angle of the court. That's Mr. MVP, Tano. I already proclaimed him as an MVP for the field. Because of hitting his shot. Lane violation. The charge on him. He is taking the line.
No, ang bola.
What position now for black shirt? Quick release to Ganto underneath the basket, using the ball that he scored. But back in the 15 by Picato. Picato, giving to the Roman. Get it, Butcher is thinking about passes. There goes the passer, ending action for the second quarter. Signaling the resumption of the 1 minute timeout has been expired back to where the action is for the final of the junior division. One position now for the black shirt. 23-22 our score. Set to join from the midcourt for 4-1. Pass is thrown. Offensive rebound by Ganto. But he was being hammered by two quarters is awarded on Ganto. First First throw by Gancho is in and out. Score remains 24-23. Third quarter. This is the final for the junior division in Sirpurok Basketball League. 1 out of 2 by Gancho. We have another deadlock at 24-all. He is making his move. Inside pass. He doesn't get the shot, but he had a call. Gancho reacted the 13th call by referee Harmonia. 2 points is awarded. Third personal foul, Gancho, Bitter was out. Third foul. First throw by number 5, Cano is very short. Score remains 54-all. Cano is trying to break the tie. Again, is there one free throw?
Sariyalot na.
Yes, he does. 25-24 as Cano breaking the tie. Gancho making his move. Ball is batted out by Cano. They will retain position of the ball with 16 seconds of their shot clock. We have another reason. It's time for break with Harmonia. No whistle blows. The blow whistle is so late.
Nakatuwang.
Particular
Kinababal.
play.
Inom
No
kita babal.
referee has been positioned in the part of the court. Gancho turn around inside pass. This is shot. Pinky rebound by Picato. Picato moves out. Picato.
Subol.
We have another reason. Illegal dribble again. Many times already that is being called. He must not do it again. They can found by him with the shot. Gancho. They get a foul from Ahim. Sorry.
Gua kasih lu jelasin dah.
24-25 or before a C2 battle will continue.
Binsoy.
Legs goes up and down. Very highly closely contested ball game. Picato making it move. Picato got screen. Move to the corner. Get away from everybody. No look pass. Picato reverse 100 to basket.
Pangay kayo, mga bangak kayo.
He doesn't get the shot, but he got a foul for the first now. On 4.5 with the line for 2 foul throws. After the break, out Villamor. Three teams foul. The captain, 3 teams foul. First throw by Tagaper is good for 1 point. Basket is nullified. He steps in the line. Second drive for Tagaper. Kaliwiti like by Seth. Ani got the basket. There, making his move. Still looking for his first basket. He said it for it. Still by Gancho. Gancho thinking direction. Flying high. Hitting the shot. But where the call? Number 4 is charged with illegal use of hand. Gancho is being hammered by number 4. And he's charged with a foul here. Warning for penalty. The captain. Wow, first throw by Gancho is good for 1 point. We increasing the lead now for 26-25 our score. He can try for Ganto, all eyes on him, the playmaker of the team. 115 out of 2, making our score 27-25. He is making his move. This is to number 41, Barfinas. Offensive foul is called. Offensive foul.
Robo na kay Justin, no? Robo, ano?
Kato. One-on-one against him. Kato still. Michigan is charged on Ganto for long vacationing inside the restricted area. He is sleeping inside and is served with a critical violation. Turnover. Number 4, making his move here. In the corner to Mr. Insipi. Yung goal one at by Cano.
Pareha 27, score, pareha 27. Yawa na.
Quick reply. By Balaba.
27-29 score.
Good things now, extending basket. 29-27. Timeout, Mountainside basket. Gregor the batter signaling the disruption of play. 1 minute timeout has been expired. Back to where the action is. In the final game of the two captains of their own division, Dick Cousin of 4-5 against 4-1, Wiley Heath team. Here and here playing backcourt for the orange shirt. Was a very nice reverse. But he doesn't get the shot. Outside to Picato. Now to Ganto. Balaba making his move. And he got the basket. Powerful drive there by Balaba and he scored.
Patalabo na.
He is making his move.
Outfield.
Another violation is committed by Hill. Traveling violation according to our referee. Hill committed so many times a traveling violation. Because of Blamba flying high, taking control. That was blocked. What a block there by Villamor, passes away. Number 4 again, making that. What a full pack action. Everybody really playing the championship caliber ball game. What a ball game. Substitute, Valentin out. Villamor, giving a rest. He's already gasping. Wow, Mr. MVP again hitting the bird, hitting on any angle of the court that Cano. He can drive for number 5. 115 out of 2. Timeout, 3 times basket. In final.
Wala ako kita rin anak.
Here's the batter. Signaling the resumption of the 1 minute timeout has been expired. Back to where the action is in the final between the Cousin of 4-5 against 4-1 Wiley Heath. Nava, give it to Ganto. Back to Balaba, Balaba across the midcourt. Balaba penetrates, one-man play. Set it to throw, rebound by Hill. Hill, he goes away. Beautiful of Valentin, using the ball and he scores. Beautiful assist by Hill, Valentin scores using the ball. We have got the deadlock at 31 all, the 8th deadlock of the ball game. Number 18 starts with a foul. The 8th block of the ball game at 31 all. 1 minute and 32 seconds, third period. One-on-one defense now for the Cousin. Despite the double teaming defense, Ganso scores using the ball. Hey, Gano missed the shot. Picato high up for the rebound. Picato, he goes away, flying high. He got a foul. What a very aggressive move by Picato, driving with no fear. He doesn't get a shot, but he got a foul. Tap the red.
Oh.
Out, Abok in. In. Out. Benjamin. First to Picato. The ball bounces up, but it pulls out. Warning for penalty, the captain. Second try for Picato, the very hard-working guy of the team, the most improved player of 4-1. 0 out of 2. He put up his own miss. He missed it again. Villamor. Tano flying high. Open the rebound. There's a lot of competition on court. The Toman lying down the floor. What a fallback action. Thank God he is still able to stand and walk without any injuries at all. Thank God. What a fallback action. Everybody really working hard. Everybody really playing championship caliber. Okay, let's go. Take up by Villamor attempts. Take and roll. Underneath by shot is so far.
Baga ay mga animal.
Lane violation. Not a break for the orange here. They will retain the position of the ball. Big an inbound for the orange shirt. Tano is open for 3. Not this time. Ganso high up for the rebound. And able by the black here, the putting the ball into the garbage can.
Third go na.
33-31, 23 seconds, 23. Third period. What a very nice boarding there by Valiente.
Oh, nira, wait now.
Ganso flying high, quickly try by Ganso. Put him down, continue basket. 9 seconds remaining. Villamor, to her attempt, capital. There goes the buzzer. Ending action for the third quarter. There goes the buzzer, signaling the start of the fourth quarter. But to keep your mouth inside basket. We will start out fourth quarter with score 35-33, leading 4-1, widely lead. Ganso, Santo, increase the lead at the end of the offensive. Ganso get away from the pick and roll, but he needs to get offensive rebound by Labay, stolen by the Villamor doesn't get the shot, but to have a call, definitely disappointing committed before the shot. Villamor now from the 4.5-meter line for 2 foul throws. All eyes on him. But he missed the first. Second try for number 28, Villamor. All eyes on him. 1 out of 2, 50% conversion. Making our score 35-34, 1 point lead. Puro Ono. Pero block from behind. But they call Villamor rated and he acknowledged that call. 2 for throw, no free throw. 2 for throw is awarded on Saloper. 1 point separating both teams, 35-34, leading Puro Ono. Saloper has time to increase the lead, but he missed the first. This is the game of 1,000 thrills. Still unpredictable who will come out winner and proclaim a champion of their own division. Second try for Saloper is out. Make it again. Villamor high up for the rebound. Now give it to Hill. Hill is still looking for his nearest basket. If I'm not mistaken, he's still scoring. Number 12, Hill. Now to Cano. 3-point bomb. Not this time, in and out. With a loose foul is charged on Martina. Two teams foul. This is already the early start of the fourth quarter. No more, not yet infinited. This is the early start of the fourth quarter. This is the fourth quarter action. The block shot now on the offensive. Ganso making it move. Looking for the room to take it out. Looking to an open man. Here comes Picato. Sabong Niki. Got screen. 3-point bomb. There's an inner bomb. 3 points. What a shot by Picato. Here comes Cano. Looking for. The goal of the net. Can't just go. Look for Picato. Look for Picato. Basket into Picato. Picato again. He doesn't get the chance that we had before. Number 12, here is charged with a foul. Captain Rick, Ganso in. Out. Number 25. Now, Picato hitting the first, increasing the lead. 39-34. Second drive for Picato, number 14 of the block here. Picato second try, all eyes on him. Very promising player of 4 of 1. But a just clean hit by Picato. 39-34, 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Time out. Mountainside basket. Then of the buzzer, signaling the resumption of the 1 minute timeout, being asked by the captain who has already expired. Back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 35 seconds, fourth and final quarter. 40-34. The captain now has a chance to cut down the lead as they're on the offensive. Here, looks an open man. Barpas intercepted. One man play. And he got the basket. 2-pointer by Lava.
Pindingin na karon.
Cano. Give it to Villamor. Villamor comes closer to the basket. Cross court. Triple bump. Repel. Look the ball. Triple bump. Not this time.
Yawa.
Number 2 tries to recover.
Labaw itom, labaw itom.
Saves in the line.
Abinog na kuhan. Abinog ni Mandaro.
34-42 our score. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Cano. Illegal trouble is charged on Cano. Both teams now committing error. Turnover for the black shirt. Ganjo, bounce pass to Picato. Give it to Balaba. Balaba 1-on-1 against Baratinas. Balaba pick and roll. He doesn't get the shot but we have a call.
Kinabaw. Balo. Siat Apollo.
Number 3 charged with a foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. The captain Pedro by Balaba is good for 1 point, increasing the lead 43-34. Second try for Balaba, all eyes on him. The prize import of the team. 100 shooting, 2 out of 2. 34-44, 10-point lead. The cutting now is started killing himself. He's putting the ball into the outside. Turnover. Ganso. 1-on-1 against Hill. The still bench Villamor. Villamor team connecting 2 points. Picato bringing him up court. They're running the clock. They can afford to do that because they're leading. They're wasting too much time. The 20 picking now for the Black Bears. They're running the clock. Goal. Goal hit the buzzer. Here comes Cano. What a shot by Cano. It looked like they were pushed there by Cano, but the referee didn't call it. Blocking is charged on Cano. 44-38. Time out. Seaside basket.
2 minutes. 14 seconds.
Penalty.
Port na, port.
Fourth quarter.
Ganso now from the 4.5 with a run for 2 penalty shots. Third personal foul, Cano with the road out. Third foul, number 5. First of the Ganso is out. Ganso second try at the 4.5 meter line. The hard working guy of the team. Missing both. 0 out of 2 by Ganso. Here comes Villamor. Bringing him up court. He's looking to an open man. Cross the watch by Picato. But to win. Valentin flying high. He got the shot, but we have a foul. Definitely there's a foul being committed before the shot. Number 11 now from the 4.5 with a 9 for 2 foul throws. Wow, first throw by Valente is good for 1 point, cutting down the lead.
Patanang na yun.
2 teams foul, the Black Bears. Second try for Valente, number 11, all eyes on him. 100% out of 2. making our score 44-40. Kalaban. Offensive pressing now, the running the clock. Villamor raises his hand, he acknowledged that goal. Ganso na walk to the line for 2 penalty shots. At chance to increase the lead. Third personal foul. Villamor, first throw by Ganso, is good for additional 1 point. Second try for Ganso, the hard-working guy of the team. He makes the second throw. Foul is third on Ganso. Number 18. Third personal team foul. 3 teams foul. Black shirt. 45-40, 5.8, 1 minute and 42 seconds. Here making it move. Running the quick with bomb practice time. 5 of the second goal. But finally, Villamor connecting. Run by the loading shirt.
Isa na lang labaw, 44, 45.
Go! There you go, Anthony.
Ya, wala ka ba?
Run by the team. We have to call referee on play. What a very nice day. An 8-0 run. An expected 8-0.
Labaw na ni Kasen, labaw, tulong ni Kasen. 45, 48 man. Oh, labaw na.
48-45.
Tulo labaw. Wala, ako sa manong. Kurt! Siap.
48-45. Lava hits the first. Tap to the rim. $48-47. And expected 8-0 there by the orange here. Second open now for the Cousin. Valencia. Dito Pano. 5 seconds set clock.
Yaw ko!
Valencia with the shot. He put it back and he scored. 50-47.
Ito, babals.
The Cousin now grabs the nail.
Babals. Inin to. Babals lagi?
48 seconds.
Igoy, kuya. Aw, nagasiyat.
Black shirt.
Goy.
Graba. Then the receiver by him.
Score 50-47, labaw po 5.
50-47, 39 seconds. Leading the Cousin. 39 seconds. 50-47, leading the Cousin. 3 points.
Bro!
Foul. Barcina. Penalty. Warning for disqualification, Bartina. 4 foul. First throw by Ganso is out. Looking very, very tired.
Dilipa. Oh. Dilipa, pwede.
1 out of 2 by Ganso.
South.
Substitute rip. Into the move. 38 seconds. 2-point ball game. 50-48 leading. Dikasin. Turnover. Time out. Seaside basket. Definitely proclaimed a hero. Very good matter. Signaling the resumption of play, the completion of the 34 seconds in the ball game. Ganso. The brother Ganso. Received by Cano. The foul is third. On Balaba. 26 seconds. Warning for penalty. While he 14 foul. 26 seconds. 2.8 Dikasin. Cano. Looking for an open man. Think he can set track.
Patay na! Wow!
Number 2. Illegal dribble again for Picasso. Time out. Dikasin. Remington. Back to the ball game with 1 second remaining. Good position now for Dikasin.
Mati ka sulod.
0.2 seconds. Then goes the buzzer. Ending action for the fourth and final quarter.
Kampiyon Dikasin.
It will come from behind, win by Dikasin on an 8-0 run that really dominated the contest. It's on the break that decided the contest. Very crucial ending of it. Okay, prepare this game, the final for the invitational game. Barangay San Juan versus San Luis against Barangay San Juan for the invitational game final. Please be at the hard court now for your pre-game warm-up. We're almost running out of time, and it's also already very easy to explain. Please be at the hard court for your pre-game warm-up.